This is by far the #1 side hustle for college students. You can do this worldwide. You can make up to $4,500 per month, and it only takes you 10 minutes of your time. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and in today's video, we're going to be going over literally the #1 website for college students. This website's going to pay you a lot of money, and it's going to be allowing you to use a resource that all college students have, and that's College Notes. So definitely leave a like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. All right, so the website we're going to be talking about here is called Studypool. Studypool is a website that's going to allow you to upload your study documents and homework and make money doing it. So all you need to do is go to Google and type in Studypool, click the first link there, and you can read up a little bit more on the page. But it's actually a trusted website from Entrepreneur, Forbes, and a couple other popular, well-known companies. You can scroll down here and read. This is actually used for buying study documents and notes and also selling them as well. They also have tutors that people that can sign up to become a tutor as well. So this is an all-in-one tool, and I recommend, even if you're not going to be selling your notes, you still refer to this website, because you could potentially even buy some notes that could help you with your class this semester. But what we're going to be focusing on is how we can make money. So we're going to go up to the top of the website and hit the button that says Sell Docs, and this is where the fun starts to happen. As you can see, you can earn up to even $5,000 a month, and we share docs with tens of millions of students, so you can get $10 every time a student views one. So this is actually really great, because let's say you have some documents or some notes you took from your statistics class, right? You upload it to this website, and if student one buys it, that's pretty good. But guess what? Another student could come and buy that exact document. So that one document that you wrote and uploaded is going to be making you passive income, and you can be making $10 per sale. And it's documents that you probably won't even need again. You might have thought about throwing it away. So this semester, or even your previous semesters, if you have homework or anything like that, collect it and potentially upload it. You never know, you can be making some passive income. So let's break down a little bit how this works, and then we're going to be going into the back office, and I'm going to show you how you can earn money and what it looks like when you earn money doing this, right? So you simply need to upload a document. It could be an old homework, exam, quiz, prep, zip files, literally anything that's related to school. Once it gets approved in their systems and they realize this is not a fake document or something that isn't legible, like people can't read it or anything like that, it will get approved, and then it will be uploaded. And tens of millions of students search and have access to this document. Now, what's very important is that this is done worldwide. So if you're in the United States, that's great, but you can be doing this in the UK, you can be doing this in Australia, Germany, doesn't matter. This is done worldwide, and you earn $10 every time a student views your document and they decide to buy it. So let's take a look at some of the top earners. People are making a lot of money uploading study documents. This could be all types: math, science, English. It doesn't matter what the subject is or what the language is. This can be uploaded worldwide. So keep in mind, it's worldwide, so you can upload it in a different language other than English. So you can see here chemistry, medical surgery, algebra, introductions to terminology. They have whole different types of notes. Obviously, the more complicated and complex the note is, the more likely it's to be sold. And people have 12-page, 8-page, 2 pages, 13 pages, and so on and so forth. So it's a lot of different stuff. You can see some people are earning a lot of money, and you can even get a rating, and people will like you the higher your rating is. But anyone can do this. Literally any college student can do this. Upload your documents and make some money. So let's take a look at the back office and see what it looks like. Okay, so once you sign up for an account, which is free, by the way, you can start immediately uploading documents. So this is the back office of Studypool, and as you can see here, every document that I've uploaded gets accepted, and it literally goes over, you know, the do's and don'ts when it comes to uploading, so you know exactly what to be looking for. So just make sure your video or your content is high quality, it's properly categorized, and it's meaningful. So you're not just writing basic notes that anyone can look up. You're taking good high quality notes that are uploaded. So yeah, so that's basically it. And then you can get notified every time. Right here, as you can see, every time a document is being sold, you can get notified right here, and it'll tell you $10 for a sale, $10 for a sale. And then if we go to my uploads here, we can see how you can earn money, and this is your total earnings, and it tells you how many documents were uploaded and how many documents were actually sold. So people literally you'll be notified every time something is being sold and you're making money. So this is great. As you can see at the top here, they go over different subjects as well. So there's tons of subjects that you can upload notes to. You can upload as many documents as you want, and again, one document can be resold a lot of times, right? Unlimited amount of times. So you can be making a lot of money, as you can see, doing this simple method, just uploading study documents, notes. And again, study documents just mean old practice quizzes or exams, old notes, old test prep, anything like that can be uploaded. And if someone likes it and they think you did a great job and they need that, they'll buy it. So that's really StudyPool. This is the back office. So a lot of questions that a lot of people are going to be wondering is, how do I actually withdraw my money if this is worldwide? So all you have to do is go to the top here and click menu, and then go to your balance, and it'll bring you to this page here, and you can see a little bit more of your payments. If someone also does refund your document, you'll see it here. But really, it's real simple. You just go to the withdraw money button here, and they have a long list of different options, right? Most popular is PayPal, and they kind of break down the service charge and everything. So there's a little bit of a charge to transfer the money over. It's a small percent, but these are the different ways that you can actually get your money. And a lot of people who don't have a bank account or debit card or anything like that, you can actually also request a check as well. It's only $1.15. So if you're most likely in college if you're watching this, right? So chances are you might not have a bank account yet, although I recommend you do, or a debit card or anything like that. So you can always request a check as well. They'll mail it to you within 1 to 3 business days. So it's as simple as that. And once again, these are secured payment processes. As you can see right here, it is approved and protected. All right, so how do you actually upload a document? As you can see here, I have an old document from one of my classes. So I just simply downloaded it as a PDF, and all you have to do is simply drag it and drop it down here, and then it will upload. Document uploading. It's going to submit, and it's going to go through some time to process and everything. And then once it's processed and approved, it can be sold on the market. So it's as simple as that. It takes less than 10 minutes of your time. Yeah. All right, guys. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. I hope I left you with some more knowledge, and now you could probably start making some money online, selling some old documents and notes. If anything I said in this video helped you, definitely leave that like and comment down below any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys all next time. Take care.